umabot dun sa 7.0. But it was such a big, we felt that it was a significant leap, no, in terms of your general average. So you will be given 50% of what you would get. Alam nyo na.
It's not bad.
It's not bad at all because
We still have a lot of food in the ref.
ooh, okay, so more food. Huh? Alright, here we go.
Thank you, sir.
Nakain na dyan ka sa harapan, you take it.
Ano yan? Check yan.
So you have to get
Post-dated?
post-dated. Okay, that's money for additional food. And unless Teacher Monat will have other instructions now.
Hi, Mr. C. Yeah, ano?
Yes.
Mga nakachinelas, di ba, we were all reminded na pagklase, magsushoes tayo. So, ako, ayun, so Miguel, sino pa? Bunny, and
Chris.
Chris.
please go back and wear your shoes, please. Ayun lang, tapos,
Bunny,
yeah,
balik shoes.
ano na. Then I will,
Bye, Mommy.
ano yan? Ano yan?
Yung sanitary.
O sige, go. Palit kayo ng shoes, tapos come back agad. Ha?
Yung kanta na ni Bugoy na sa ulo ko, hindi yung kanta ko.
So, kamusta Bugoy?
Okay po.
How do you feel?
Okay na okay po.
Ran? Asen? Apple?
Pa.
How do you feel?
I'm fine, thank you.
Iñaki? Ang ganda ng duet niyo. Ako, I was impressed.
Thank you po.
Professional yan.
Professional. Probation.
I have to give better assessment isa-isa sa inyo. Pero may sasabihin ko na. Ang isa lang ang masasabi ko, okay, for further improvement, tatanda mo lagi ito. Ikaw tsaka si Sen actually. When you push too hard, overboard yung mga nota. As in parang, wow! Lumalampas, saan pupunta yung mga nota? It's okay, the energy is good. Okay? But unbridled energy means also unbridled performance of the notes na parang kung saan dumudulas. Okay? It's still very important that you're in control. In control lagi. Huwag kayong padadala ng pakiramdam basta-basta. Tatunan nyo as entertainers, dapat meron kayong konting oops! Break! Kailangan hawak nyo yun. Hindi kayo pwedeng run over ng inyong emotions, ng inyong enthusiasm. It's okay to have that. Use the energy. But you must always be in control. Never those controlling you. Never the moment controlling. Okay? You must always be in control as entertainers. Hindi kayo pwede magwala. Yun ang point doon. Okay? Yun lang masasabi ko. Kasi Sen, meron pa doon, lahat kami na pag-ganon. Saan yung ganon yung notang yun? Nagulat kami eh. Okay? Sinong partner mo? Si Apple? Okay. You were just very uncomfortable with each other. Yun lang. Otherwise, for me, the singing was okay. Pero the reason why Mr. O said safe, it was really just safe. Kaya lang, ang parang lumalabas, we were just doing the motions. So, sige, tapos pupunta ako dito, tapos pupunta. It was very obvious na it did not, no, it was not organic. Meaning, hindi lumabas as natural as you would. Kasi parang, hindi nga natural eh. Parang ginagawa nyo lang yung motions eh. That happens because hindi yung focus nyo sa performance nyo, hindi siya focus doon sa performance nyo, yung singing nyo, etc. Hindi pa comfortable. Okay? Kung comfortable yon, it would have felt much better. But I also understand, iba yung nag-uumpisa, iba yung first performer. So, merong konting jitters, no? Okay.